Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's Vignam video, we will learn some of the important concepts of chemistry, that is isothermal expansion, adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression and adiabatic compression. Now, let's try and look at this figure first and understand what is basically happening here. So, there is some kind of work that is being done on a system, and there is repeated compression and expansion that is taking place. Now, if we look at the first one, so if we look at the first one, we have the isothermal expansion. So in isothermal expansion, we know that the temperature remains constant. So therefore, here we see that when it is isothermal expansion, there is no change in temperature that is occurring, and also we can see that there is expansion that is happening onto this system. So the work is done on the system here. Next, also you can see here that, let's go back. So from 1 to 2, when we are going at high temperature, so what is happening is that the pressure is very high and the volume is low. So therefore, next, when it continues, we go to the next stage, that is the adiabatic expansion. Now adiabatic expansion, we know that there is no transfer of heat or energy from the system to the surrounding that is happening. So over here, there is some kind of change in temperature that is there, but there is no sharing of energy in the system or by the system. So then we see that when we move to the adiabatic expansion, the pressure gradually decreases and the volume increases. Next, we have the isothermal expansion. Now, isothermal compression. So now from here, we have seen that this has expanded to its maximum capacity. Now it is going to go down. There is compression that is going to occur. So here there will be some kind of cooling that is happening. Therefore, the temperature is going to go even lower. So from here, what we'll see is that after high temperature, the temperature reduces to low temperature. Volume is the highest and pressure is the lowest. Finally, when you move back to the adiabatic compression, we see that there is a sudden rise in the pressure and the volume decreases as compression occurs. So here you can see that the volume has decreased and the pressure is increased. So the more pressure is being applied here, and so is this space in the wall that is being decreased, and the temperature has also increased. So this is how this system works. So we start with the isothermal expansion, then we go to the adiabatic expansion, where we say there is no transfer of heat or energy from the system to the surrounding happening. Then we move to the isothermal compression, again wherein the temperature remains constant but there is compression that is happening. So therefore, the volume is going to be reduced. And lastly, we have the adiabatic compression, wherein again there is no transfer of heat or any energy that is happening, but the volume is reducing and the pressure is increasing. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.